Welcome back, guys. Welcome to my channel. I've been building computers for a bit now. I wanted to try this just to see what happens. But anyways, I have this PC that I built not too long ago. It's the oldest gaming PC that I could build using all the parts that I own. And yeah, so this is what it is. That's the PC here. And what I want to do is I want to see what would happen if you remove a memory stick, so a RAM stick. What would happen if you do that while the PC is running? So yeah, I wanted to see what would happen. And of course, you don't want to do this at home. You don't want to risk damaging your hardware. The only reason I want to try this is because I want to know. I'm curious about it. And this is older hardware. Okay, so what do I think will happen if you remove a RAM stick? There's two things that I think might happen. Either the computer will completely shut off, or the computer is just gonna freeze. Um, so it could be either or. I don't know. Another. I mean, there's no way it's gonna continue running. I'm gonna go ahead and remove one memory stick, and we're gonna see what happens. Let me go to my task manager here. All right, so let's begin. Okay, that's one latch. Okay, so the computer did not shut off. It did freeze though. I can't move my mouse. Keyboard won't work. Yeah, so I guess that's what happens. Um, it's still running, computer's still running fine. You can see computer's running. The computer, I mean, the Windows is frozen, so I can't do nothing. Now I wonder if I install the RAM slot, if I install the memory stick, will it continue to run? Let's go ahead and try it. All right, so I installed the memory stick, and yeah, the computer's still frozen. Okay, so that's what happened. I was always curious of what would happen, and now I know. It just freezes the computer. Now, let me restart the PC and let's see if it works still. Don't hate me. I know, but there's a lot of people out there that are gonna be like, "Why do you do this? So dumb using this doing this on your computer." All right. All right. Let's see. All right, we're booting up. PC is still working. Cool. All right. Yeah, it looks like it's working. It just froze the PC. Nothing too crazy. Uh nothing too damaging so far. So yeah, that's what happens if you remove a RAM stick and your computer's still running. So yeah, so honestly, like when I build computers, and I'm troubleshooting, uh and I'm always thinking what would happen if I accidentally leave the computer running and I remove a RAM stick. Like, will that completely destroy the PC? It will, like, would it short out the motherboard? Would it short out the RAM slot, or the stick of memory? I'm always that was what I was thinking back then. Um, I mean, it could probably happen, right? I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. That's cool, but now I know that if that ever happens to me, hopefully that's all we have to do is just insert the memory stick again, and it should boot up normally. Will that happen with every PC? Probably not. But yeah, it looks like we are working again. PC is working. Yeah, we got our thing here. We got a task manager. We should have 4 gigs of memory. Yep, we got 4 gigs of memory here. Awesome. Yeah, I mean, what do you guys think? Have you guys ever done this by accident? I have never done it by accident. I think the worst thing I've done by accident was disconnecting the power connector, the motherboard power, while the PC was running. Um, yeah, that was like the worst thing that I've done. And so far, I mean, nothing really happened when I did that. Everything worked fine after that, but yeah, I think it could have been bad, but yeah, don't do this at home, and make sure you power down your computer, unplug your power supply when you're working on your PC. This is just a little test that I wanted to try. Alrighty, see you guys.